kanilang pakikipaka. As long as the U.S. continues to force our tax dollars towards genocide, the people of the U.S., the working class in the U.S., will continue to protest. We have already been protesting in New York, in L.A., in San Francisco, in Chicago. Tens of thousands of U.S. workers are already protesting. We are being forced to fuel this genocide against our will by U.S. imperialism. We stand with the people of Palestine. We believe in their self-determination. We believe they have the right. They will chart their own path to liberation along with the assistance of our solidarity. Maraming salamat po.
Let's say no to U.S. Israeli Zionist occupation of Palestine. Thousands of innocent people have been killed over the last few weeks because the U.S. government is desperate to try and control the world. But we know that the thousands of people who have lost their lives in Palestine and the millions of Palestinian people who yearn to go back home to their ancestral land, they will win! U.S. imperialist!
Number one terrorist!
U.S. imperialist!
Number one terrorist!
Mariin natin kinokondena ang imperialistang pagsasamantala ng Estados Unidos sa mga mamamayan ng daigdig. Kung kaya nandito tayo ngayon sa harap ng embahada ng Estados Unidos upang matinding kondenahin ang walang pagposisyon ng Estados Unidos, ang walang pagposisyon ng United Nations at lalong-lalo na itututin at nagulog ng gobyerno ni Pinoy Aquino.
Mabuhay ang pagkikipagkaisa natin sa Palestine!